Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your car pop and bang. There's going to be an expensive option and there's going to be a cheap option, and you can't go wrong either way. So if this sounds interesting, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go with the expensive option first. One thing you can do to make your car pop and bang more is to upgrade your exhaust. And by exhaust upgrades, I mean like buying an FI exhaust, a Krapovich exhaust, any like aftermarket exhaust, or what you can do is if you have a stock exhaust, you can go catless downpipes. And what catless downpipes are is just like, it's just a pipe without the cat. So pretty much what catalytic converters do is they pretty much help filter the engine's emissions. And with that, it really muffles the sound. If you go catless downpipes, it'll pretty much help your engine breathe better. So not only will you be getting more like pops and bangs, but you'll also be getting a little bit of a horsepower gain, just because like all the air and stuff and the fumes are traveling more freely. That's expensive. If I try to go catless downpipes on my car, the downpipes themselves, they're about like, for my car, it's around like $1,100, and that's not even the worst news. That's gonna be at least $2,000 to install them, because it's not an easy job. It'll take hours, even for like professionals. Yeah, so if you want to go catless downpipes, that's going to be around like $3 to $4,000 depending on your car. And to upgrade your exhaust, like the full thing, that's going to be another like at least $4,000 depending if you go like FI exhaust, Armytrix, a Krapovich, something like that. It's going to be a shit ton of money. The best thing you can do, and you can do what I did, is to get a tune. Any tuner can do it for you. If you have Mercedes, I highly recommend Rentec, DME, or Eurocharged. I currently have a Eurocharged tune on my car. It's working fine. The Rentec tune was working fine. And for both those tunes, I've had a burble tune, aka like a pop and bang tune. And that's the best thing you can do. Like, the Rentec tune was expensive, and that was like 2,000 bucks. But with Eurocharged, it's like 1,500, and you'll get more pops and bangs, and it'll be cheaper, and you also like will get horsepower and torque upgrades, stuff like that. You have to specifically ask the tuner, whether it's from Eurocharged or Rentec or DME, you have to ask the tuner for pops and bangs, because the tune doesn't come with pops and bangs. You specifically have to ask for it, or else the tuner is not going to do it for you. If you don't communicate with the tuner what you want, he doesn't know, or she doesn't know. But yeah, so right now I'm just going to show you guys what it sounds like to have a pop and bang tune on my car, which is a C43 AMG V6 bi-turbo. You can definitely change up how aggressive you want your burble tune to be. You just have to ask the tuner. So there's two ways to tune your car. One, you can either take your ECU out and ship it to the company. That's what I did when I had my Rentec tune. I took it out and sent it over to them. So for my Eurocharged tune, I used this thing. It's a handheld tuner. I'm not gonna like go over the steps because you can just find the steps online. But in a nutshell, what you do is you plug that end into your OBD2 port, you extract the car's stock file, you send it over to the tuner, they work their magic on it, and then they send it back, and you download it from your computer to the device, and then you plug it back into your car, and there you go. You tune your car that way. That's what I did with the Eurocharged tune. It was pretty easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Also, if you want your car to spit flames, which I don't really recommend, you can get a flame tune along with your pop and bang tune. I don't really recommend it though because it's really not good for cars that have turbos. Your engine life goes down the drain pretty much. You could if you wanted to, if you don't give a shit about your engine. If you don't give a shit about your engine, definitely go for it because it's really cool. And then send a video to me because I like flame tuned cars. But yeah. But if you really want one, just ask your tuner if it's possible to get a flame tune on your car, which it is possible to get on pretty much any car. It's just not good for your car. But yeah, if you guys learned something new today, and if you found this video insightful, oh god, the sun, make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe.